Buddy and Me is brought to you by Truck Vault.
Buddy is acutely sensitive to everything around him. Everything he smells, hears, sees, and feels is going to affect his performance either positively or negatively. So open your ears, eyes, and nose and help your dog succeed in the field. All right. Sounds are magnified. Yelling, gunshots, door slams. Whimpering dogs, they're all stress inducers. Your calm voice counteracts them. New faces can spook a dog. Have friends approach quietly and slowly and crouch to dog level. Introduce dogs to each other on neutral ground. New territory, different birds, even unfamiliar cover like wheat stubble impact your dog's attitude. Make them positive with praise and treats.
Good dog.
Dogs are what our wives want us to be. Sensitive and responsive to the smallest things. Come on, be aware of that, and maybe you'll score points with both. You are a star, man.
If you're looking for more information on dog training or finding more public access places to hunt, hey, check out my website, findbirdhuntingspots.com. I'll see you there.